Hi, this is Simon from Pro AV. Something very special has just lobbed up in our warehouse. Our first Sony FX2. We're going to be doing a full video on the FX2, but for now, I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing. Let's see what's inside this package. Okay, pull tab there. All right, already we're in the top, and we have some manuals in various languages. So, very cool. Put that to one side. Open up this tray, and we are presented with 4 items here. Item number 1, the Sony Z100 battery. This cool little envelope contains rubber eye cup. Now here we have the top handle with all of its audio inputs and goodness, ready to be attached to the top of the star of the show, the Sony FX2, one of the very first retail models in Australia, and I think probably the world. All metal construction, viewfinder, screen. Can't wait to put it through her paces. She is a beauty, and that is the unboxing of the Sony FX2.